Hi everyone. We're gonna look at how to buy music on Amazon. You have to do it on the website. So go to Amazon.com. You're gonna go to All. You are going to go to Amazon Music. You're gonna go to the Download Store. You're gonna go to Songs. Yep. So bestseller right now is With You. So we want to buy this track. So if this pops up, you just go to purchase options. Okay, you can MP3 music. We want to buy the tracks separately. So you want to buy the original version and you want to buy the instrumental, one of each version. So with that, you're going to need to sign in or create your own account. So you can create your account by filling out the information there to create your own account. I'm actually going to sign in. All right, so I've signed in. The song is in my cart. I want to pay. All right, that went through. Always download your purchase. And I want to go and buy the instrumental version. So let's go and find it again. You can use the search bar as well, but since I saw it here, I just want to buy it. Okay, now I want to buy the instrumental. Okay, always download. You can always check your order history by going to orders and returns, or you can go to your account and orders. Digital orders. And then you see your purchase there, one instrumental, one original.